Hey guys, I made this video for moms. I'm a dad, but I know how it feels to come from work with the kids and you are like, what are we eating tonight? So I created a GPT. First 100 people are going to get it for free. So all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel and then go follow me at photography by King on Instagram and just send me a message and I will send you a link where you can access this GPT. Everyone else, you can access it on Gumroad. And so it is a meal planner pro for moms. Again, dads can use it too. But the beautiful part about it